Hi, I'm Tracey Malady. Welcome to my little urban workshop. I've done a little bit of hollowing in the past and they were little Christmas decorations. I think I was scared off because the tools that I was using had a round, well, most hollowing tools were round, and they would occasionally turn and have a catch. The beauty of the Easy Wood hollowing tools is that they've got the square bar, so there's no chance of it twisting or turning. I think that's what's given me the confidence with hollowing now, the fact that I know I've got control and it's going to sit flat. You'll need to adjust the tool rest depending on what hollowing tool you're using. For the hollowing tool number 1, this is the tool that goes pretty much straight in, and this is the one that will get out a lot of timber in order for you to get the next hollowing tool inside that small opening. The thing about hollowing is that it's all happening on the inside. There's not really much to see on the outside. The wood turner really has to go by feel. You have to know where the last pass was and you get the hang of it. You'll feel where you've been and get rid of that wood. I've adjusted the tool rest to make allowance for the gooseneck hollowing tool. The tool rest wouldn't normally be so far away from the work, but I want to have that square edge flat on the tool rest for support, and I just have to get in under that lip and then I'll be able to go in further and move the tool rest closer. Just be sure that the tool doesn't touch the edges of the opening. You'll need to position the tool rest so that when it's sitting flat, you know that when you're manoeuvring it, it's not going to touch those edges. I've adjusted the tool rest back because I'm going to use the hollower number 1 now. I'm going to go back inside and get rid of some more material. The rim, inside the rim, has been hollowed, and I must say the carbide cutters have once again proved to be fantastic. Before I continue hollowing again, I'm just going to test the thickness of the rim where I've already been with my tool, and to do that, it's very scientific. I put my pinky in and I can tell by the wall thickness. When you exit the tool, exit carefully. You don't want that carbide cutter touching any part of the opening. Scientific test. Okay, that's coming along. I'd say from about there down, I can get rid of a bit. Terrific.